Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you have a Metro by T-Mobile plan that includes Amazon Prime, you might be wondering how to actually activate it. Many users assume it starts automatically, but in most cases, you need to link your account first. This can feel confusing because the option isn't always obvious, and you might not know whether to use the Amazon app or your Metro account. The good thing is that the activation process is simple once you follow the right steps. Within just a few minutes, you can unlock all the Prime benefits like fast shipping, Prime Video, and more without any extra cost if it's included in your plan. Try these. Step 1. Open the Metro by T-Mobile app or go to their official website. Step 2. Log into your Metro account. Step 3. Find the Amazon Prime benefits section in your plan details. Step 4. Tap Activate or Get Started. Step 5. Sign into your Amazon account or create a new one. Step 6. Confirm the activation to link both accounts.